Notice the arms from one clip to the next. I'll show how adjusting with Blender's decimate ratio, the mocap arms will make the character appear to be balancing on the skateboard. Select the armature, and in the Object Data Properties viewport display, check in front. In pose mode, select the upper left arm. Turn on auto keyframing and active keying set to rotation. In the graph editor, toggle to visibility of X, Y, and Z, rotation only. Under key menu, select decimate ratio. At keyframe 25, using the decimate slider from the viewport display, set to 90. With auto keying on from the viewport, I'll adjust the left arm to my preference. To smooth out the new motion, select all the keyframes after 25 and offset them to 35, and do the same for the keyframes before 25. At 25, I'll smooth out the interpolation handles to achieve my desired effect. Now I'll do the same for the right arm, except starting from keyframe 35. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.